Boat noodles come in small bowls. It wasn't practical to pass around large bowls of hot soup on a wobbly boat.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Could I, I want to eat.
เอาเป็นเส้นอะไรดี
Type of noodles. Which one do you like? I want to try the pork blood soup. Does that come with noodles? Does it have noodles in it or no? Yeah? Okay, yeah, this one. Stew. I guess the pork, yeah. And maybe just the Coke. Apple cup. Pork blood. This was Billy told me I've got to try the pork blood. Got to try the pork blood soup. And I was kind of sketched out. I don't typically eat blood. It smells really good. It smells curry-ish. Let's try it. Tastes like Thai food. Got pork in there. Oh yeah, pork is nice and falls apart in your mouth. And it's great. Spicy. Little. Mysterious white balls. This is my first meatball I've had in Thailand. Very, very soft. I think it's chicken, but it's flavorless. This, I'm assuming it's a vegetable. I'll cut it up. Oh, it's like a turnip.
In Thai, the word nam means water. Nam tok is Thai for waterfall. My nam tok means no waterfall. The most popular story seems to be that back in the day, vendors would have raw sliced meats sitting on ice on top of a woven bamboo tray. Over time, the meat juices and ice would melt and fall through the tray into a container below. The vendors would then add these meat drippings into the soup. Today they add raw pig's blood instead. In central Thailand, nam tok refers mainly to a spicy soup stock enriched with raw pig's blood or a cow's blood. Kuai tiao is the Thai word for noodles. Moo, you would think it would mean cow, but it doesn't. It means pig. So we've got kuai tiao, noodles, moo, pig, nam tok, waterfall. Kuai tiao moo nam tok, noodles with raw pig's blood. And we've got kuai tiao mai nam tok, noodles with no waterfall, no pig's blood. The term boat noodles is a direct translation from the Thai name kuai tiao rua. Rua means ship or boat. Kuai tok rua, noodles, boat. Boat noodles. This meal has its roots in Bangkok's floating markets, where vendors would sell tiny bowls of this flavor-filled soup from boats along Bangkok's canals. Today it's a street food staple for Thais and a must-try dish for foreigners. Adding raw pig's blood to your soup might throw up a few red flags for foreigners. Raw pig's blood sounds more than a little sketchy. I know I was apprehensive. But if you ever get the opportunity to watch a Thai person make this meal, you'll see the broth is simmered for hours at a pretty high temperature. And it's definitely true that one of the best hacks to find good quality Thai food is to go to a restaurant busy with lots of Thai customers. Chances are, the food is safely prepared. And it's almost guaranteed if you ever get even the slightest whiff of the aroma of the boat noodle broth, you'll definitely want to try it. It smells so good. So go for it. It's awesome. What's the worst thing that can happen? Pad diarrhea?
One set 70 บาทค่ะ 70 บาทค่ะ
ทุกมา
70 ทอน3ทีนะคะ
70 baht. Yeah,
ค่ะ
yeah,
ขอบคุ
that's
ณค่ะ
good.
thank you